Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to tell you most repeated basic questions in exams of general science because these are very important questions for every exams. So friends, let's start it with first question. Question number 1. There are the number of muscles in human body. The answer is 639 muscles. Question number 2. What is the lifespan of RBC? The answer is the lifespan of red blood cells 120 days. Question number 3. Which is the vertebrate that has two-chambered heart? The answer is fish. Question number 4. Which is the largest human cell? The answer is the largest human cells is ovum. Question number 5. Serology is the study of results. Question number 6. What is the full form of ADH? The answer is antidiuretic hormone. Question number 7. What is the normal value of blood sugar in the body? The answer is 80 to 120 mg or 100 ml of blood. Question number 8. Potassium nitrate is used in? The answer is fertilizer. Question number 9. The gas usually filled in the electric bulb is? The answer is nitrogen. Question number 10. What makes a reptile a reptile? The answer is egg laying. Question number 11. Which of the following hormones is a steroid? The answer is estrogen. Question number 12. A large blood vessels that carries blood away from the heart is called? The answer is artery. Question number 13. The stellar and solar source of the energy is? The answer is nuclear fusion. Question number 14. As you go down into a well, your weight? The answer is decreases slightly. Question number 15. Decibel is the unit for? The answer is intensity of sound. Question number 16. Fathom is the unit of? The answer is the depth. Question number 17. Reading of a barometer going down is an indication of? The answer is rainfall. Question number 18. Which among the following is a positively charged particle emitted by a radioactive element? The answer is alpha rays. Question number 18. Isotopes are separated by? The answer is distillation. Question number 20. Which are the important raw material required in cement industry? The answer is limestone and clay. Question number 21. What are the three bones that conduct sound to the inner ear called? The answer is the medial ear. Question number 22. How many breaths do you average each day? The answer is 20,000 breaths. Question number 23. How much food does the average person eat in a year? The answer is 1996 pounds. Question number 24. The oldest living tree is 4843 years old and can be found where? The answer is California. Question number 25. This is the last question. How many bones do sharks have in total? The answer is there is no bone in sharks. I hope viewers you will like this video. So like and share this video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.